In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add priority in Trello. This quick and easy guide will walk you through the steps to ensure that your tasks are organized by their level of importance, making your workflow more efficient than ever. First things first, you'll need to log into Trello. To do this, simply click on the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the Trello homepage. If you already have an account, you'll be familiar with this process. However, if you're new to Trello, don't worry, it's simple. Once you click that button, you'll see various options to log in. Now, that brings us to the next step. Click on the option to log in with Google. This is a convenient method as it allows you to use your existing Google credentials. Once you've clicked on the Google login option, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, just pick the one associated with your Trello account and you're set. Next, it's essential to enhance your Trello board by adding some useful features. Let's navigate to the Power Ups section in Trello. Power Ups are like special plugins that extend Trello's functionality. For managing task priorities, you want to look for the power-up called Priority. Once you've found it, click to install this plugin. Having the Priority power-up is crucial because it allows you to label your tasks based on urgency and importance directly within Trello. With the power-up installed, let's move on to selecting a specific card where you want to add prioritization. Go to your Trello board and click on the card you wish to modify. By doing this, you're opening up more detailed options for that task. Trello cards are the core of your project management, representing tasks, projects or notes, where you can add further details or updates on each. Now that you've clicked open your desired card, you should navigate to the priority badge section. This badge is a visual indicator of how important a particular task is in the grand scheme of your board. It's typically found within the card's options menu or as an overlay on the card's interface. It's intuitive and user-friendly. Finally, once you access the priority badge, select your level of priority. You'll see options ranging from low to high, allowing you to categorize your tasks according to their urgency. This step ensures that anyone viewing the board can immediately see which tasks require immediate attention and which can be tackled later. Selecting the appropriate priority level is straightforward. Just click on the option that best represents the urgency and importance of the task. And that's it. You've now learned how to add priority to your Trello cards. By following these steps, you can maintain a more organized task management system in Trello. Keep practicing these steps and soon enough it will become second nature, enhancing your productivity and ensuring nothing important slips through the cracks. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.